Guys, welcome to my channel, and again I have made a video on the chapter number 1, real numbers for class 10th. So this is exercise 1.1 and question number 1. Use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of first 135 and 225. हम इसके 2 पार्ट्स हर एक्सरसाइज से करेंगे. ओके बच्चों, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट गाइस. So this is our first. We have to find the HCF of 135 and 225. So here I have also taken a NCERT book, so you can see, and I have to again tell you what is Euclid division algorithm. I have made a video, you can see there, Euclid division algorithm. So guys, what is algorithm, Euclid and division? So this is also same as the same. If I say what is Euclid division algorithm, so why does this method work, why we use it, I am telling in this video. So Euclid division algorithm, nothing but we can say it is same process as we can say in our first video, that is Euclid division lemma. I have told you about Euclid division lemma. Firstly, in that video I have told you everything about the chapter but not exercise. I have taken example, but now because of my phone camera is not clear, so I haven't made another video for that. But if you listen it, you can write the notes yourself also. Okay. then now we start our discussion. In this question we will use Euclid division algorithm, which is same as Euclid division lemma. So in Euclid division algorithm, what is the formula? Same as A is equals to BQ plus R. That means A is dividend, B is this B is divisor, and Q is quotient, and this is again our remainder. So kids, A is equals to here 225, and for now B is equals to 135. So A, that is 225, we have to write it here, and B, which is our divisor, we have to write it here. I have written. Now if I divided 225 by 135, it comes 1 plus 90, and if I divide 135, 90 comes here. What we have to do guys, we have to write a proper equation by our formula only. That is our formula, A is equals to BQ plus R. We know what is A, we know what is B, we have written A and B. What we have to, we all know dividend is a number which we have to divide it by the divisor. डिविडेंड एक ऐसा नंबर होता है जिसे हमें डिवाइजर से डिवाइड करना होता है. यानी कि मैं बोलती हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल 6 and 2, we have to divide 6 from 2. So what is 2? 2 is a divisor. And what is 6? 6 is a dividend. So here is also same guys. Here 6 is dividend, here 225 is dividend, and 135 is divisor, here 2 is divisor. So if I divide 135 to 90, so it comes 135 90, and you can say into 1. So okay, So 135 minus 9 into 1 plus 135 minus 90. So guys, 135 minus 90. Tell me guys if you can say, or you can also calculate it. 135 minus 90. Why I am doing that? It comes, can you guess me what is it is? It is none other than R45. So here now I have to change it, because here I doesn't get any 0, here also I doesn't get any 0. So this is step number 1, this is step number 2, and now I am doing step number 3. 90 is here as a dividend and 45 is as a divisor into 1. Or what we have to do? Here we have to get 2 plus 0. So we get 0 in our third step. You can also see I have written here also that we get 0 in our third step. You all can see. Okay, so that means the HCF, therefore the HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. यानी कि जो 45 है वो 225 से भी जाता है, 135 से भी जाता है और 90 से भी जाता है. यानी कि हमारा 45 जो है वो इन दोनों का HCF है. सो आपने देखा प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से भी ज़्यादा इजी ये वाला मेथड हो गया है अब. सो लेट्स गो टू आवर सेकेंड पार्ट किड्स. Third one, I will solve also here for this time. So, second part is 196 and 38220. 196 38220. Okay. So फॉर नाउ अब आप लोग पूछोगे कि मैम, या आप जो ये बोलूँ. ओके, सो हेयर 135 is small and 225 is small. 225 is greater than 135. One more thing kids, you all will forgot in your examination. That thing is we have to must write here A is equal to 0 greater than or equal to R. 0 is greater than or equal to R is greater than B. We have to write this whole formula. If you will not write it, then your marks will be deducted in the board examination and in the normal examination also. So now here 3280 is A, 196 is B. So our by using Euclid division algorithm, A is equals to 38220 into 9. B is equals to 196. A is equals to BQ plus R. Okay, then now A 38220 is equals to 196 into 1 plus 0. So guys, you can see in our first step only we get 0. So we get 0 in our first step. Okay guys, so now अब हमें क्या लिखना है? Therefore the HCF of 196 and 38220 is 196. Oh sorry, it's 195. Sorry, it's 195. You all can see 38220 is equals to 196 and 196 into 195 plus 0. So here the quotient is our 195. Okay kids, so now the HCF of 196 and 38220 is 196. Mostly guys, you all sometime you do a mistake, that is you write here I have written 38220 is equals to 196 into 195 plus 0. Sometime you get confused at what we have to write for. I have to write 196 or 195. So it's a normal mistake, not, but it's deduct your marks in your examination. So do not do this type of mistake. Okay. So the HCF of 196 and 38220 is 196. So now I have to open book, sorry for that. It has been closed by someone. Okay, now our third 867 and 255 sorry, 867 and 255. Okay, so now he can see, now you all can see by Euclid division algorithm. Okay kids, now in this what we have to, again we have to write the formula. A is equals to BQ plus R. 0, A is equals to 0 or greater than equal to R or greater than B. Okay kids, so next step we have to write A is equals to 867, B is equals to 255. So now 867 we have to write here, B is equals to 255. Okay, so what we have to do, again we have to multiply, or what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply by 1 plus, okay, now what will come? 867 255. What will the answer? Kids, if you do not know, then okay, I will tell you. But first of all, you all see here what I have written. What we have to write? I have done wrong here. You can correct me. Here will come a 3. You all, I am only watching that only, that who will reply, but nobody reply. They understand that there is no mistake, but there is a mistake. 255 into 3 is 765. So we have to now 867 and 765 subtracted. then we come, that is 102. So 255 102. You can see all guys that here we can't get the 0. So it is our first step that we do not get the 0, but in the second part we get the 0. So now after doing that, so what is the answer in this? So here we will write 2 plus here we will get 3. So now 102 is equals to 53. So I am doing right. You all also have to calculate, because if you do not calculate then you will get a mistake in your exam that you have seen here. And I have made this video to clear your all doubts. So in this you can understand that how I have done this question very neatly, very completely. I have not done any mistake. You can see here is 51, it's not 53.